In this video we are trading Moderna, ticker MRNA. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key levels that we are focusing on, and as of right now our closest upside target, $139, this level is key to note, because now if we go into the intraday chart, if it feels like loading, there we go, you can see we hit this level. You definitely saw selling pressure come in as we came into this level, and then you had this massive wave of volume and price. And the reason for this is really coming into this level, you're coming into your D or statistical mean, and when you're coming into here, not only really traders looking at it, but algorithms are the main thing looking at it. And this is why, especially in large caps, you see such big price movements and volume. I mean, if we pull up the volume on this stock, I will imagine it will be higher coming into this level. And what a surprise, the volume is dead all on this move here. As soon as we come near to this price, volume pumped, and the reason for this is algos are getting triggered at these statistical levels. So seeing this, we broke to it, but we couldn't hold it. We broke straight through, broke above it, but straight back down. Shows us it's weak and we need a new retest. But if in time we can get over here, hold over it. And again, when we're looking for this, we're not really going to be using a 1 minute at a minimum. We would use a 15-minute chart. And what you would want to see is a break above that level and a retest. So what we would want to see is a break like we had here, but you have at least one candle not touching this line, and then I come back to test it. And if buying pressure kicks in, then that will most likely indicate we go higher, and in this case that would take us to 156/163. If we break that, we're then looking at 173, 190, 225, 208, and they're really going to be the key resistance levels. Now onto the support side of things. If we start selling off, what are key supports that we need to be paying attention to? And that's going to be 120, $100, and $100 will always be key psychological level. That is also our statistical mean on the 1 year chart. If we break lower, we also got one at 104, so kind of a zone. And then really 86, yes, there are other levels, but we don't really need to pay too much attention to them, because if we go to the upside, again, this is plenty of resistances. So again, if you're trading these levels, all you need to pay attention to is, can we break above it? If so, come back to retest it as a support. If it holds and buying pressure comes in, expect a move at a minimum to that next statistical level, which in this case would be 156. Now on the other hand, you can see we've gone through it, we've kind of got a reversing candle. So if that's how it closes and we start to see selling pressure kick in, expect to move in time back down to $121. Now obviously these are technical levels, so you can trade technicals, but really the main thing to use with them is have your trade plan already through the fundamental driver, and then you just enter. You find better entries or precise entries using technicals, and as well as usually finding stronger targets. But again, if you're trading strictly with technicals, it's going to be a hard one to win, because you need to be understanding how the overall market is doing, how the economics, especially in the US, are doing with something like Moderna. So you just really need to be doing it off a fundamental plan and just using the technicals for the better entries and exits. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, want to drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these two analysis videos.